Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Fidelity Index Funds. Review my usage experience. Fidelity Index Funds Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive look at Fidelity's index funds, designed to help investors understand and compare various options. Its main purpose is to provide information and analysis to aid in investment decisions. The target audience is investors, particularly those interested in low-cost, diversified index fund investing. Key features likely include fund comparisons, performance data, and potentially risk assessments. Their website provides details on the specific features available. Their website provides detailed information on each Fidelity Index fund, allowing users to compare expense ratios, historical performance, and asset allocations. They emphasize the low costs associated with their index funds and the benefits of passive investing. Pricing transparency is a key selling point, with all fees clearly stated. The service's approach relies on readily available data, presenting it in a user-friendly format. Accessibility is excellent. Anyone with internet access can utilize the information on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Fidelity Index Funds. Review my usage experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply went to their website and began navigating the fund information. The interface was intuitive, allowing me to quickly filter funds by asset class, expense ratio, or historical performance. For example, I easily compared the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, with the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VINX, to see the subtle differences in expense ratios and performance. The performance data presented was clear and comprehensive, charting the fund's growth over various time periods. I was really impressed by how detailed yet easy to understand the information was. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive portfolio building tools. You have to do the calculations yourself, based on the data provided. I had a quick question about comparing sector-specific funds and their support responded within 2 days via email. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download the data in CSV format for import into my personal spreadsheet. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Fidelity Index Funds. Review my usage experience. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to seriously research their investment options within Fidelity's offerings. That's my overview of Fidelity Index Funds. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.